Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So jumping straight into today's video, I'm wanting to do a no foundation light makeup look kind of thing. So if you want to see the products that I'm going to be using from start to finish on this bare face of mine, then keep on watching. Okay, so what is up? So I want to go ahead and start off with my first product is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. As you can tell, this product has been loved, used, and abused. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my skin. And this is going to help moisturize. So I'm going to use this as a moisturizer. You can hear my dog. I'm gonna use this as a moisturizer because my skin at the moment has been feeling a little dry, especially today. It's been a little dry, so putting this on the skin feels great. Like, you can already tell a difference in my skin just using this one product alone. So what is up, everybody? I once again have just been chilling and stuff. I feel like with the second trimester of pregnancy that I've still been like sleepy and kind of like, I don't know, I've just been getting tired and stuff. So I've just been dealing with that and like trying not to push myself or anything like that to like do too much in the house. But other than that, like, I've just been chilling around and stuff. So the next product I'm going to use, I haven't used this product in such a long time. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. So this is our primer. Such cute packaging. It comes with it has a pump on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the skin. This is gonna make our skin just like be luminous, and it really has good things for your skin, which is like that Vital C in there. So it's gonna make your skin brighten and just look good. Next item I'm using is my Holy Grail Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. Wow, I cannot talk today. What the beep? Using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion in the shade. Really? This is the point when you use your toes to pick up your makeup items off the floor. I was in the shade 2W. That's the shade that I'm using. And I'm gonna conceal these bags because I don't want these. If y'all want them, y'all can have them, but I don't want them. So, and then since I have my hormones going all over the freaking place, I'm gonna place some right around my nostrils because I want to conceal that. I have some redness going on my chin, and I have a few breakouts. So I'm gonna conceal my chin. I do have a few breakouts right on my forehead area. I have a dark spot right here. So pretty much you want to conceal your under eyes, and if you have any spots on your face that is like a no-go, that you're like, girl, you gotta go, like, bye, like, no. So what I want to do is blend this actually with my finger, because the warmth of our finger is going to warm up the product, and it's going to blend this right on out. And if you want to, you can use a beauty blender. I'm just gonna use my finger. The next thing I'm gonna move on to is my bronzer, MAC Give Me Sun. I always use this. And I also try to find like this on MAC Cosmetics, like online, and I didn't see it. So did they like discontinue Give Me Sun, or like what? Like, what happened to it? Because I couldn't find it on their website at all. And I feel like a lot of people like using this one, but maybe they just discontinued it. I don't know, couldn't find it. But I still have a good amount left, but it's sad. Like if I hit pan, that would be really upset. I'd be really sad. But yeah, so you can see now my face looks more awake. I don't look so busted and stuff. So I'm using this powder and I'm going to go in with like a fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go ahead and start bronzing my face. I feel like if you're not using foundation or anything like that, I like to go in with a fluffier brush that just takes up more space and stuff, that, you know, like I don't have to be so precise, or like I don't need my cheeks like cut or anything like that. Like this is how I like to wear my makeup without any foundation and still look, you know, like the sun is kissing my skin, and like my concealer is like, you know, making me look more awake and stuff, and my face doesn't look cakey, not one bit. Okay, for my highlight, I'm gonna go with something different. I love using my Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter palette, but I'm gonna try to switch it up for you guys, something a little different. I'm gonna use my Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm gonna use, let me see, it is a Lister, I wanna say. It's this shade right here. And I'm gonna use that as my highlight today. Just to give the skin a nice glow. Because I also feel like no foundation, or if you're like, you still want to have like a healthy glow to your face. So I just love highlighter. Okay, one of the things that I like to incorporate when I'm not wanting to do like, you know, with this kind of look and everything, I want to use the bronzer shade onto my eyes. So that's what I'm gonna use, is the MAC Give Me Sun, what I used on my cheeks, and I'm just gonna apply that on the lids just so it'll tie everything together. And it doesn't have to be neat or anything like that. It's just to give us some color to our eyes. And then I'm also gonna run it down below. So I went ahead and put on some mascara. I used the NARS Climax mascara. There's like hardly anything in this bad boy, but I'm like we're still pushing, we're still using it and stuff. Like, y'all, that mascara is so good too. But next we're moving on to brows, and I hate doing brows, but with this look, we're not gonna do too much. I pretty much have, I would say I have fuller, kind of thicker eyebrows and stuff. So with this type of look, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use my ABH Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. And what I like to do is just line underneath my brow in the front, right? And then just brush it on out. And that's giving us some like definition and everything. And to hold your brows in place, I'm going to use the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and this is gonna hold your brows in place. And if you have to, because I know everybody's brows are different, if you have to go ahead and just fill in your whole brow, that's up to you. This is kind of like what I like to do when, you know, I mean, no foundation and stuff. I mean, this is super quick and easy. And my brows look nice and fluffy, cute, and we don't look like we're doing too much. The next two items that I adore if you're not wanting to put like, you know, any lip color on your lips, y'all have to try out the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. This is their lip butter, and it legit looks like a glue stick, but it's super cute. All their products smell so freaking good. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some now, and this stuff is so moisturizing on the lips, like so good, right? And it's just so cute. It's big. It's 17 bucks, but I mean, you're getting a lot for your money. Next thing, so we could leave it like this, you know, it's a nice, like, your lips look nice and hydrated, juicy, you look, you know, glowy, healthy. That's what we want, right? The next thing we could do is use the NARS. I have a NARS lipstick in the name of it is Belle, oh my god, Belle de Jour, and it's like literally the prettiest nude. Like, this nude is so pretty, but it's pretty sheer. I'll go ahead and just tap a little bit on the lips, and this is very moisturizing as well. But yeah, it doesn't come, like, it doesn't show up that much on the lips unless you're putting, like, you have your lip liner, like a darker color, and then like you're playing around with it and stuff. Or if you have like a darker pigmentation on your lips, then that color will show up more as well. But it's such a beautiful shade. My lips feel great when I use it. So yeah, this is pretty much the look that I feel like is great when you're not wanting to use any foundation. I feel like, you know, you could do it pretty fast and everything. So let me know in the comments down below if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you would use any of these products and stuff, or what other products you think I should try out with a no foundation look, that maybe something I can look more glowy, or different creams or anything that you guys like to use. Also, don't forget to go ahead and give me a big like on that screen right down below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll go ahead and leave everything right over here. You can click my face. That's gonna be right over here. And then the next video, if you want to watch it, it's gonna be right here as well. So I'll go ahead and turn this way, and you guys can click on the video. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys!